Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change RAM 1500 rear brakes. Before starting any work, prioritize safety. Always park your truck on a solid, level surface and engage the parking brake. Chock the front wheels for extra security. Next, loosen the rear wheel lug nuts, then safely lift the vehicle and support it with sturdy jack stands. Remember to open the brake fluid reservoir cap under the hood to prevent pressure issues during the process. Now let's get to removing the old components. After taking off the wheel, use a 13mm socket to unscrew the two caliper slide pins. Carefully remove the brake caliper and hang it securely to prevent damage to the brake hose. Next, pry out the old brake pads and remove the anti-rattle clips. Then, unscrew the two 21mm bolts holding the caliper mounting bracket and remove it. Finally, remove the rotor retainer clip and, if necessary, use a hammer to free the old brake rotor from the hub. With the old parts removed, it's time for installation. First, clean the wheel hub thoroughly with a wire brush and clean your new rotor with brake cleaner. Install the new rotor and secure it with the retainer clip. Next, install new anti-rattle clips onto the cleaned caliper mounting bracket. Apply a light coat of copper grease to the ends of your new brake pads and slide them into the bracket. Use a brake piston tool to compress the caliper piston. Reinstall the caliper mounting bracket, torquing its bolts to 132 foot-pounds. Finally, reinstall the brake caliper, tightening the slide pins to 24 foot-pounds. You're almost done. Now, you need to bleed the brake system to remove any air, starting with the passenger side rear wheel. Ensure your brake fluid reservoir is filled to the maximum line with the correct fluid type. Reinstall the wheel, tightening the lug nuts to 130 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. Finally, drive smoothly for the first 30 miles, avoiding sudden stops, to properly bed in your new brake pads and rotors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.